What is the purpose of our emergency stop button?
Ideally, you only use the emergency stop if something physically has gone wrong. Something's getting damaged or there's a safety issue. By machine code, emergency stop should only be used once or twice a year. What it does do is it basically disables the machine, shuts it down. You clear whatever you need to clear, and then twist, hit the stop. You hit the stop button once to quiet it, and then hit it one more time to reset. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to run the last program, which was the cycle we were running, and it'll continue where we hit the e-stop, or we can escape out. So let's say we want to continue with that. So let's say somebody accidentally hit it. We can hit the stop, and it picks up where it left off and continues with that step. The proper means of getting out of the cycle is to press and hold the stop button.